Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Stroud here. It is Friday, May 8th, 2020. And today for phonics, we have page 157 in our reader's notebook, and it is proofreading for spelling. So it says read each journal entry. Circle the misspelled words. So let's take a look. These are our spelling words. They're spelled correctly. And our words end in less and ness. So a hint for you as I'm reading this journal, let's look for some words that end in less and ness and see if they're spelled correctly over here through our spelling words. So it says Journal of a Mountain Guide. This is someone who guides people through the mountains. Let's take a look. Monday. We rescued a hiker who had become lost in the darkness. Which word ends with less or ness? You're right, darkness. So let's look over here. We have painless, sickness, sadness, helpless, thankless, kindness, hopeless, darkness. Is that spelled correctly? Write it on the line. After darkness is fearless, thickness, careless, goodness, spotless, softness. Our review words do not end in less and ness. They're useful and weakly. And then we have challenge words breathless and eagerness. Okay, let's go on. Tuesday. It is hopeless to teach some people how to be careful in the mountains. They just don't pay attention. Find your word in that one. Write it in number 2. Alrighty, let's go on to Wednesday. Wednesday, we took a short hike to the ranger station. It was painless. Okay, did you find your word? We're going to go on to Thursday. Felt a strange thickness in my leg. I'll have a doctor check it tomorrow. Was glad for the softness of my sleeping bag. And Friday. Found a hammer and some rope in the snow. Some careless hiker must have dropped them. And finally, Saturday. Some hikers thanked us for our kindness. I guess being a mountain guide is not always a thankless job. Okay, boys and girls, as you can see, there are more than one in some of those sentences. So make sure you have your 8 words down here. Make sure they're spelled correctly. They are all of our words in our basic words. Okay? All right. Well, make sure you're working on your dojo writing. And I will talk to you on Monday.